Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open Unity game files. Unity games, once built, are standalone applications. You don't need the Unity editor to run them. Simply navigate to the game's installation directory. Look for the main executable file, which often shares the game's name. Double-clicking this file will launch your game directly, allowing you to start playing immediately. Every Unity game typically consists of an executable file and a corresponding data folder, usually named with data appended. This data folder is crucial, containing all the game's assets, such as models, textures, audio, and scene files. While it holds vital components, directly modifying these files without proper tools or knowledge can corrupt your game installation, so it's best to leave them untouched for stable gameplay. The method for launching a Unity game varies slightly depending on your operating system. On Windows, you'll typically find an executable file ending in .exe. For Mac OS, games are often packaged as an application bundle, appearing as a single app icon. Linux users will usually encounter a binary executable file. Regardless of the platform, the core idea is to locate and run the primary application file. If your goal is to delve deeper and access the game's internal assets, specialized third-party tools exist for extracting these files. These utilities can be valuable for modding, creating custom content, or simply analyzing game components. However, it's crucial to remember to always respect intellectual property rights and terms of service when working with extracted assets, ensuring ethical and legal use of game content.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.